Memory is the storage on the computer where the work is done. The more memory you have, the faster the computer will work. We will look at the three most important types of physical memory. ROM, or read-only memory, stores important information which does not change, like instructions for the computer to start up. RAM, or random access memory, is the memory that the microprocessor reads from and writes to. This memory is faster than other types of memory and is instant. When working on the computer, information is temporarily stored on RAM until you save your work onto the hard drive. RAM loses its stored data when the computer is turned off. That is why if the power goes off while you are working on the computer, all your work will be lost if you have not regularly saved it. Flash memory is faster and more expensive than conventional types of physical memory. Flash memory acts as a secondary data storage facility and does not lose its data when the computer or power is turned off. Memory is stored on a chip and measured in bytes. 1 kilobyte is 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is 1024 kilobytes. And 1 gigabyte is 1024 megabytes. There is a lot more that makes up the guts of the computer. We could go on for ages discussing a number of other items, but this we'll leave to another tutorial for those of you who one day want to get your hands dirty and explore inside the console. VTC's A+ certification tutorial is ideal for those wanting to expand their knowledge with regards to the inner workings of the computer.